Hey folks, so Kirk's going to make a pretty in this one.
Yeah, yes I am.
Go on then. Crack on.
So this is a into resin mould, and it is a diamond and the base.
It is. You've been after this mould for ages, haven't you?
I have. I've asked them a few times, and they've
finally sent it.
They have,
and we are very happy.
Yes, I am.
I must admit, once it came, I was like, "Oh, I can see a few possibilities for this one."
Yeah.
Anyway, what do you do when you get a new mould? What do you do? Let us know in the comments, because when we get a new mould, the first thing we generally do is make a
crystal clear one. Well, it depends on the mould, but
yeah,
things like this
sort of thing, yeah,
it would be a crystal clear mould, just so that we can see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Well, one, what it looks like. Two, if there's any bubble traps or anything like that that we need to be aware of. So the first thing I do is mix up some resin.
Yep.
Which is a good start, really, when you want to.
Yeah, it's a good start when you're doing a resin video.
Yes.
Yeah.
I find that as well.
Yeah, I would agree.
And then it didn't take a lot. It was about 200 mil. So, and because I'm going to put it in the pressure pot, I'm not particularly worried about bubbles.
No. To be fair, though, even if you don't have a pressure pot, if you run this through a debubbler or just stir it at a normal steady pace, it's going to come out pretty clear.
Yeah, and maybe once you've poured it, or pour a little bit, just let it sit for a minute or two.
Yeah.
And but yeah, so I have poured the resin in, and then they go into Percy the pressure pot. Indeed. Which you named.
I did name him because everything in our room is called Eric, and I wanted something different. So that goes into Percy.
I don't see what's wrong with
nothing, but I like the name Percy. Anyway, okay. This is following day.
It is. And
I've never known somebody so excited to demold something.
Why?
Because you were like, "Oh, I can demold."
Yeah, because
yeah, all right.
No, I don't normally do shiny, pretty things.
No, you don't. To be fair, no.
But I thought this one would look really good, and I could do lots with it. Now you can see there's a couple of marks there, and in all fairness to InterResin, they did say to me, "Am I sure that I want this mould?" Because there are some imperfections with the master mould.
Yeah.
And I was like, "Yeah, not a problem. I can work with that." And those little things there, it's not going to make a blind bit of difference.
No, because to be fair, this is the harshest sort of make that you would do, because it's crystal clear.
Yeah.
And it's been in a pressure pot, so the slightest imperfection is going to show.
Yeah.
But if you were making this and you put a colour in it, you're not gonna see anything.
No. And worst case, if it does show up, you can just do a tiny little top coat, and it'll get rid of it. So yeah. or give it a buff.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sand out the imperfection, and then do it. So not an issue with me.
No.
So I was just looking at it. I was like, "Ooh, this is shiny," and I was trying to figure out. So that's how it's supposed to go on the base.
Like you've got that. There's like a flat part on the diamond area of it.
Yeah, and then I started playing around with it and just like put my finger around there, and just it's like a little kaleidoscope.
It was, and I have to say, he sat there for quite some time just going, "Ooh."
I did.
He really, I'm not exaggerating.
No, I did.
This was, so what I have found now, that when I want to keep him quiet, I just hand him the crystal and I go, "There you go, darling."
Well, I was looking at this and I thought, oh, I could maybe put some Dichroic in the base.
Yeah.
Well, you've got a crystal, a glass, like a glass galaxy with a light shining through it.
Yes.
And I put this on there, and the refraction of the light into the room and that was quite quite something.
Yeah.
So I thought maybe I could put a light in there with some like Dichroic,
Yeah.
just to make it look a
At
bit.
which point I informed Kirk that we don't have any Dichroic.
Wow, we do actually.
Yeah.
So what I've done is I've got some. Now this is it's not a proper mica. It's like an interference.
Is this a tiny turner?
Yeah.
So it is a proper mica.
Okay, it's one of those.
Is it Starlight or Supernova?
I think it was Starlight. It's a purple one.
So neither of those then.
Okay, one of it's a mica.
I think it's dark matter, is it? Yeah.
It's
Dark
a
matter.
mica anyway.
I'm pretty sure you went with dark matter.
So I went round the edge, and my plan was to. I wasn't going to put a colour in it, so it would still remain see-through.
Yeah.
But I wanted the sides to be sort of coloured.
Yes.
That was my vision.
Mm-hmm.
And then you made me this, which is
Yeah.
a little bung.
Yeah.
And then as I was going through our
Ferreting.
boxes, I saw this little envelope that said Dichroic film.
Yeah.
Now, I haven't found this for a while because you keep hiding it.
I do. I keep moving it around.
But for some reason, you were a bit lax in your hiding.
I was lax in my squirreling.
Yeah. And I went, oh, look what I've just found. And your face.
My heart sunk.
Yeah.
My heart absolutely sunk to my boots. I was like, no.
So after I'd found this and I was laughing at Nikki's distress, I sort of found a few and then just merged them together.
Mm-hmm.
And while I am distressing Nikki, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for allowing me to distress Nikki in this way.
Indeed.
And
yeah.
you get an extra special. Thank you very much. But no, so the Dichroic, you get a couple of different colours of film and you put them together.
And they fuse under heat.
And then you heat them, and then but you can also they crumple up and they reflect the light beautifully.
They do.
So again, the resin into the base.
Mm-hmm.
I only put a tiny bit in there because I want to put the Dichroic in and then cover that with the rest of the resin.
Now, for anyone who is beadily watching.
Beadily?
I don't even know if that's an expression. It's early in the morning. Kirk does not use the taco method to put in his Dichroic. He just plops it in.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed there are no bubbles, but who knows? Who knows?
There won't be bubbles because it's going in a pressure pot.
But if you're not putting it in a pressure pot, I would always say fold it in half, put the centre in first, and then gradually slide the outsides down so that you get minimal bubbles.
So it pushes the bubbles out as you're putting the film in.
Yeah.
Yes. Top tip.
Yep.
See, not only entertaining, informative as well.
Well, yeah.
And then I put the bung in.
Yep.
No, it was just big enough or small enough.
I think you'll find it was exactly the size it needed to be because I measured it. Rude. Wow.
And then I had a little bit left over, so I just put a little bit of your red diamond into the resin.
Little red diamond mica.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that. I think I'd have probably left that clear, if I'm honest.
I wasn't...
With hindsight. But hindsight's always a great thing, isn't it?
It is. And I like it. But yeah, I think I'd
clear,
have left that clear.
Yeah, clear is better, I feel.
I think clear for the actual diamond, unless you're going to put something else. So I thought maybe I could put like a picture in there or a photo or something. Yeah. I think that would look really good.
I also thought that on the actual flat side of the heart, you could put decors with messages or, all sorts of things. It's got so much potential, this mould. I really do like this mould. And
your silicone bung worked perfectly.
Shocker.
And that's the Dichroic in there. Now you can see that the sides are not completely opaque, which is what I was going for.
Yeah, because you need to let the light in.
Yes. Now this light is a little too bright.
It is a little bit.
It is a little too bright. As you can see there, it shines through. Now, I should have maybe done put a little bit of white in there in the
I was going to say,
resin.
now what I think would have been really good there is to have put your Dichroic in, had another little sort of clear layer so the light goes through it, and then put a very thin white layer.
Yeah.
So that the light itself is diffused.
Yeah.
But, you know,
I mean,
all these things are about...
it's trial and error.
Yeah.
But the effect, I was really pleased with the effect. It's just that it just needs dialing in a little bit.
It's a real shame that our cameras just don't do it justice.
No,
I mean, it
is beautiful.
It is insanely beautiful.
Yeah.
It really is a stunning mould.
And I'm going to do lots more.
And he's going to do lots more, I have no doubt.
Yep.
So there you have it. What do you think? Let us know in the comments what you would do with this sort of mould. And hopefully this has been sort of
informative and entertaining.
Illuminative.
Wow, someone swallowed a dictionary this morning.
There is a link to the mould and a discount code in the description. And yeah.
Thank you to Resin for sending me this mould.
Very much so.
Yeah.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is a beautiful mould. And on that note, we will see you, hopefully, in the next one.
Yes.
Take
yes,
care.
we will.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.